Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HONOR X6a and let me share with you how to check the IMEI number of this device. So let's start with opening the dialer and enter the code, which is *#06#. And as you can see, thanks to this code we are provided with both IMEI numbers of this device. Let's tap on OK and let me show you another way of checking the IMEI number. We have to enter the settings and go to the very bottom of the list to find about phone. Now you do not have to really scroll down because the IMEI numbers are right here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.